This is the tree I was talking about that was really old. I'm gonna show it to you quickly. I see all this tree here in Butuan City. For this house has a lot of pine trees actually. And I know that because I'm a researcher. So there's hanging lanterns. I'm gonna post some really good pictures. I see crying child, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna post and let her see. It's my first name, so I was seeing I post it there. This is round. A couple over there thought I was buying it, but no, it's not about them. It's about their seat. It's a castle. Kind of sucks. Why is there a castle over there? There's a pyramid. There's still photographers working? God, everybody has their own smartphones now. It's a dying business. Like there's actually like professional photographers asking people if they want to get photographed with their professional cameras. I don't think people would do that anymore. It's a balloon. So not too much. I think the decorations in the past was way better, but at least this time it has some animals. Look at the animals. There's also some bananas. It's a carabao with bananas. So I'm gonna take some selfies now, then I go home.